My name is Pedro Lima. I'm a professor at IST, University of Lisbon, and also the president of a research unit called the Institute for Systems and Robotics. And here I'm the, let's say, the Copetition coordinator. So euROBIN wants, let's say, as a main objective to show that we can introduce methods to ensure transferability between tasks and between robot platforms. So if I use a module to localize my robot in an outdoor scenario, I should be able to use it with an indoor robot with a similar method with due adaptations, for instance. And so there's several work packages to ensure this, but the competitions are used in a way that the teams strive to do this. So they actually get a lot of points if they use modules from other teams successfully, or if the other teams use the modules that they have produced somehow. So this way, we encourage also the cooperation. That's why we call it a co-petition, because it's a cooperative competition. And we expect to extract lessons from this to see why were some modules successful. Means that probably they have a good solution for transferability. That's the idea. Each competition, each league, as we call, we have 3 leagues here, right? Okay. Has their own metrics. But generally speaking, they have to perform tasks that have milestones. So whenever the robots reach a milestone, they get points, right? Okay. So this is to, let's say, evaluate the success of the teams. Now, to evaluate the success of this as an impact to the project, we have to do it in the end by studying this success of transferability of the modules. Okay. And we expect to do this as a study that we will even try to publish. And then next time, we should have another competition or co-petition 2 years from now to already use this to improve the level of transferability, reusability, which is the scientific goal. It's the idea I mentioned before. So there are the competition, the teams have to reach milestones and get points for it. But on the other hand, if they have produced the modules that they put in what we call our repository, the EuroCore Copetition service or the marketplace, if they put it there, other teams use it and they are successful achieving a milestone with their module, the team that provided the module gets points. And the team that used the module gets even more points because they were willing to test other people and to integrate it. So that's how we promote it. So there are actually 3 major challenges. We call them leagues. They correspond to 3 work packages of the project. Yeah. So one of them is more industrial-oriented robots. There's a task board which is the same for everyone, where the manipulators have to perform several things: plug insertion, wrapping of cables, and so on. Okay. There's another one which is more service robots. These are robots that are in a kitchen, or actually there are 3 kitchens here, and they have to move from kitchen to kitchen and pick up objects from one place and place them in the other place, or give them to a human. So these are typically mobile robots with the manipulators. They have to recognize the objects and to pick them up and so on. And last but not the least, there's one which is outdoor robots, which is very heterogeneous. They can be ground robots, aerial robots, and the idea is that these robots are capable of operating indoors, outdoors, and facing lots of challenges like stairs and irregular terrain, large spaces, and so on.